on, everyone? Welcome back to the garage. Today I'm excited to share with you this newest edition of our garage, this 1949 Ford four-door sedan that we named Charlie. We decided to name this car after the previous owner who had passed away, and according to his son, Charles really loved this car and worked on it for many years. But sadly, Charles passed away, and this car sat for a good number of years until we picked it up last week. It does need some work. It's not running right now, and could use a little bit of going through, so that's what we're gonna do now. So, as I previously mentioned, this car doesn't run. Motor turns over, so that's a positive thing. We know it's not seized up, but it's been many, many years since it's been on the road. But for 74 years old, good old Charlie here is not in bad shape. It's got a 239 cubic inch Flathead V8, 3 on the tree column shift, and overall it's not too bad. Just needs a little bit of TLC right now. And over here you may recognize this from a previous video, my 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. This thing is a beast. It actually towed old Charlie over there 80 miles home without a problem. Not even such as a hiccup. Been looking everywhere for this screwdriver. So over the course of the next few months, we'll take you behind the scenes, showing you some footage of what it takes to fix up a classic car here like Charlie, this old 49, as well as my Jeep Gladiator out there. I got some fancy doodads to put on that I promised in a previous video. So needless to say, we're pretty excited about all these projects we got going on, and we really look forward to sharing the journey with you. We've already got some parts ordered here. I got this big box from Shoebox Central I gotta get to unpacking. So we're gonna get to that, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video, whatever that may be.